Why Axie Infinity will explode in 2022. Hey guys, welcome to StepByStep Crypto, your favorite crypto channel. Here we take you step by step towards a deeper understanding of the crypto world. Now, I think all of you have heard about Axie Infinity, an online gaming platform where you can make money just by playing the game. But today I'm going to share more interesting news about Axie Infinity. The market research says Axie Infinity will rise so high that it will explode in 2022. Which simply means that if you invest here today, there's a high chance that you'll become a millionaire in the next year. But how is that possible? Is it even true? Well, what if it is? We'll share everything about it in this video. Watch till the end and make sure to subscribe. So without any further ado, let's begin. Axie Infinity is a crypto-based online video gaming platform. To be precise, it works based on the non-fungible tokens. Sky Mavis, a Vietnamese studio, developed this game with the use of cryptocurrencies based on ERC20 currently. Axie Infinity got nearly 2 million active users regularly. Axie Infinity also works on the same play-to-earn business model where users are allowed to accumulate, cultivate, and fight within the gaming environment. They can also trade their in-game items such as creatures, which are popularly known as Axies. These Axies are nothing but some digital NFTs here, and the tokens of the players can be traded on the popular exchange platform Binance, or they can also have the option to exchange each other's in-game NFTs. The game enables the participants to earn cash by having their tokens traded in the interval of 14 days. Not only that, but participants also have the choice to purchase virtual real estate or land in the game. Like the tokens and in-game items, these lands and real estates are NFTs as well. In 2019, Sky Mavis raised a fund of around $1.5 million for the development purpose of Axie Infinity. Currently, virtual properties and assets have occupied almost all niches of the global market, including entertainment and sports as well. Axie Infinity is, on the other hand, a new age cryptocurrency that gave the investors a new opportunity, where they can make more money just by investing in the gaming entertainment. Also, AXS, which is the token of the Axie Infinity, is currently following a dramatic rise in its price over the last couple of months. The growing popularity combined with its huge potential is drawing attention of a lot of investors lately, as it has proven itself as a good investment. Checking out the market sentiment, the analysts think that Axie Infinity is more likely to explode in 2022 as per the market report. AXS recently touched $165.37 per token on November 2021, making its new personal record of an all-time high, and also outperformed some other esteemed coins in the market, such as Ethereum, that's ETH, or Bitcoin, BTC. Axie Infinity got several interesting features that attract the players of the crypto market, such as the AXS token got huge growth potential. It has recently experienced a dramatic surge of more than 2,000% since the middle of this year. Currently, Axie Infinity got a market cap worth $8.5 billion, which indicates that the network experienced enormous growth, delivering a huge profit to its token holders. You can accumulate these AXS tokens by completing several tasks such as playing games or campaigning or content creation, etc. AXS tokens are also trading at several crypto exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap. Axie Infinity got some unique features for its users. Here, users can benefit from the crypto, blockchain industry, and online gaming as well. In addition to all those, it has also introduced a unique concept where the blockchain protocol is designed to give the users or players rewards for their activities. Alongside these, Axie Infinity has started offering plenty of employment opportunities lately. Looking at the whole scenario, one can easily perceive that Axie Infinity has plotted a brilliant roadmap that can help them to be a sustainable online gaming platform based on the blockchain protocol. Not only that, their protocol is completely free from any type of blockchain data accessibility, unlike many other blockchains. It's a significant plus point for Axie Infinity. Users would be able to experience efficient handling and transmission of data, which will make all the gaming experiences and transactions faster and more flawless. You can get some amazing gaming infrastructure here in Axie Infinity. You'd be amazed to know that Axie Infinity is inspired by the identity-based world of Pokemon. It's let the players accumulate AXS tokens. The more you play, the better you become, and the more tokens you can earn. Every single AXS token is just a non-fungible token, and it can come out in any shape or form. In the game, you can get over 500 different body parts available, which you can use to create your avatar. These body parts include not only humans but also birds, beasts, plants, and whatnot. But still, Is AXS truly going to explode in the next year? What do the experts predict about it? According to the wallet investor, Axie Infinity is here for a long-term game. 5 years hence from now, the price of AXS should be around $142.87. It means if you invest for 5 years, the revenue you should expect is more or less 211.66%. Also, there's a point to be noted here that there might be a decline in AXS chart as some analysts found a little bearish signal in early 2023. It dictates that now is a perfect time if you want to trade Axie Infinity. Another platform, CoinSkid, agreed on this point too. According to them, the price of Axie Infinity has a high chance to become triple of current price just in 5 years. They also admired the ongoing development of Axie Infinity and described it as a pretty hopeful situation for AXS holders. In September, the platform declared its plan of launching the staking features for the AXS tokens officially. They also claim that it will help develop the overall digital asset. The Axie Infinity community, as well as the holders of the AXS token, staked more than 9.8 million tokens in just 48 hours. Users of this platform will be able to preserve their assets from now on, and they get new tokens in exchange for it. This procedure of staking is one that gave a noticeable surge in the price of AXS tokens. The play-to-earn business model, or in other words, the gaming model, is another reliable asset that is working in the favor of Axie Infinity. It will turn out as the next spectacular breakout point in the next year. This play-to-earn model is an advanced and upgraded innovative format that benefits both the business and online gaming. Players just have to play in return. They would get some crypto coins for free of cost, but they have the 100% liberty to trade those coins whenever they want, and that way they can convert the tokens into hard cash. The in-game items in Axie Infinity are called love potions, which also can be traded with fiat cash. Axie Infinity has a significant contribution to popularizing this play-to-earn model to the world, and that is likely to be enough the reason behind its rise in 2022. It would be no strange matter if it turns out as the largest altcoin by next year. The price is supposed to be a tremendous upward rally since the beginning of the next year. As per the price predictions, it is likely that it's going to break its current resistance line, and there will be a new resistance line much above as compared to now, making a new high price. To date, all the holders of AXS tokens have got a handsome amount of profit. In the upcoming days, it promises more, but considering all these points, Axie Infinity can be said a pretty good option for investment now. What do you guys think? Are you already holding AXS tokens? If not, do you consider it as a reliable token that can make you rich by 2022? Or do you think otherwise? Let us know your perspective in the comments section of this episode. Also leave a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. And do not forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you everybody, that's all for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.